I'm Akwaba Hatton as a review here on OhenebaMedia TV on YouTube. Na medical more breakdown on phase 1, phase 2 here coming up on NBTV. Oh, better on your notification bell. Now I share, leave your comment. Let's see your view on this year 2025 Telesom Ghana Music Award. Remember, the name has changed from Vodafone Ghana Music Award to Telecel. Intiana over modern no so at the Amame. From 2019, Ebano, it has not been the same. Talking about the atmosphere and then everything that makes Vodafone Ghana Music Award one of the greatest award schemes in our country here. Said America more and so over Ghana, that is the most of the one of the greatest award scheme. Memuha 18 under the year review. Ghanaian musicians are fees or more modern. Under the year review, you bought an abaso with a plug and then some cash to push their music journey so that at the end of the day they can also entertain us with what we call great matured sound good music. And you want so I am here to review the phase 2 for you. Now let me start with Artist of the Year. This category has been one of the main, face of the whole award scheme, When you say but Artist of the Year, and I do not need DHD year papa Kwame Eugene Ajibi, Stone Boy Ajibi, do not JJB. Now on your screen we have Black Sheriff under the year review. I don't know Artist of the Year. We also have Black Sheriff in this year 2024 Artist of the Year. King Promise, Kwame Eugene. We have Nasi, Sarkodie, and Stone Boy. Now, my question here for you watching is: who do you think will be crowned 2024-2025 Telecel Ghana Music Award Artist of the Year? Well, to me, Landlord has been, we all know he's our landlord. Stone Boy, we all know he's one of our greatest as well. Kwame Eugene has been on and off. Recently, he was loud with Monica. That's a song he was loud with. Ken Promise has really worked hard and he has not won this category ever since he started doing music. Sheriff came to the industry not a while ago and he won this Artist of the Year depending on how hard he has worked. Nasi our gospel industry. Obekaya na category na Nasi ewo Dinah Hamilton and a Black Sheriff Efa Artist of the Year. So likely 2025 Music Award said Nasi Efa Artist of the Year or perhaps Ken Promise offer this category. So that is my opinion. You can also share your opinions with us here. Now I am going to Best Male Vocal Performance. Yes. Sebano in stage who is the best male vocal performance 2025 Telecel Ghana Music Award. We are reviewing here on NBTV on YouTube. And then on your screen we have Che Mensa, we have Kofi Kakeri, we also have Kiddy, we also have President Music, we also have Josh Black. So Camido is also in the list. Best male vocal performance. Osha Befa, Kiddy, and Camido Efa. Now let's talk about the female. Best female vocal performance on your screen. We have Adina, who has happened to be one of my favorite female, artists or musicians as well. We have Abiana, and we have Nila. We also have Lordina, and then we also have Titi, and we have a lady here, Queen Darling. Is it Queen Darling? Something like that. We also have Best Vocal. Well, with this, no doubt about that, Adina is the best for me here in this various category. Adina, Yamfamana, Yewiem, Ediamano. EP on your screen, album of the year. Nasa Biana we no also free that ben or I've not heard about her. This is my first time seeing even her picture on the screen or probably come across her name. I've not listening to her music before. I think she's seen with this music, Taste of Africa. I think I need to look for this music and listen. Probably the music might sound well because categories ni nyina to say Nidia the APM Abiana. I don't know if she's a Ghanaian. She might be a Ghanaian. So that's it. EP or album of the year. On this was our PR. We have Medica, Stoneboy, Kwame Eugene, and we also have what is the name? Amari on here. Amari with the song here, Fountain Baby, Medica with the song Planning and Plotting. Fifth Dimension by Stoneboy. I think Stoneboy will carry the day because Medica, yes, I'm Medica. I like him as a person, but I don't like his music style. That is me because he doesn't sing good music to me. None of his songs make sense to me. You understand? I like him as a person. Don't get me wrong. I like Medica as a person. But his style of music, or probably the choice of music that he does, it doesn't make sense to me. So if EP or this album of the year, Mana, no doubt about that. But the fifth dimension of this Stone Boy, chances of winning is so high. Telisa, most popular song of the year. I think this category is also one of the key, apart from artist of the year, no, one of the key. And so a year, Telisa, most popular song of the year. Okay, now let's see the various musicians or artists in this very category. We have Benzi with the song here, Hosanna, and we have Sherry with Yaya, and we have Jackie here also with the song here with JB. We have Victory, Joy's Blessing, Medical Catches a Joy's Blessing, or recover from broken hearts and chair, and you know, or the Nimunyam Victory at the Nkunimdi at the buyer. And we also have Drew here, Kwame Eugene with Monica. This song was loud and has been playing back to back, digital, online, and everywhere. Hello, Monica, can you come over? You see, this song is a banger. And we also have Terminator. You cannot do away with that. So what I say, King Promise, even it was international, it was a global song, Terminator by King Promise, and then Kitty also with Stoneboy here, with Liquor also with the song. Nasi with Asida, it was loud. So good scene one way or the other. To me, it wasn't loud. I think the street boys were vibing with it, the SHS boys. It wasn't a good song to actually, have that massive airplay. But I think my friend Kelvin will agree with me. It's not a good song that need to be one of the most popular songs. But probably his chances of winning is high. The Landlord is in with Otine. Otine has been one of my favorite, though it is in the category. We also have Into the Future, Stoneboy. So, Mekase, a very tight, competitive category. Anna Uwomuno. I am quite surprised that I have not seen Ken Paluta in this very category. Upon all these people, Hosanna, Benzi, Sharif, those you seen on your screen, Joy's Blessing, I am surprised Ken Paluta is not in this very category. So looking at this, Ken Promise Terminator chances of winning is high. Yes. Into the Future has been on and off, but Terminator, it was a global song. So we wish Ken Promise the very best. Songwriter of the Year has also been one of the key. Kofi Kenyatta has won this category back to back. I think 4 consecutive times. So this year, 2024-25, Telesol Ghana Music Award, Songwriter of the Year. It's quite unfortunate Kenyatta is not in this very category on your screen. Familiar, Not God, DSL Truth, Stoneboy, Kwabwa, Otan, and then President Music, Songwriter of the Year. This category, Akwabwa is the best. Yes, Akwabwa is the best. Best rap performance on your screen. Best rap performance. Amrado, Enobaroni, Fem, and then who is the lyrical Joe, Strongman, We also have Sarkodie and Medica. Wow. I think there is only one female among these gentlemen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gentlemen, and there is only one female among. And I think with this category, Eno Baroni, chances of winning is high. Because last year, she was cheated. She was supposed to carry that category, but she was cheated. So this very year, tell yourself, don't be stupid. Do your possible best and give this award to Eno because she has been in the system for a decade. And we all know how hard this beautiful lady has really worked hard. Competing with men in the rap battle, it is not easy. So please don't mix up this time around. Make sure that you do the right thing at the right time. Eno Baroni deserved the rap performance category this year. Best music video. With this best music video, I think we've already reviewed this one. Records of the year on your screen. Records of the year. Josh Black, Joe Metal, Efia, Stone Boy, Abiana, and Amrane. I think I have to look for these new people in the screen. Perhaps I don't know them, I've not heard about them. I need to look for them and then see the type of music that they do. With this on your screen, Efia, chances of Stone Boy winning is high. Stone Boy and Efia, they have a chances of winning. Perhaps Joe Metal. Yes, chances of winning is high. Now we have the new artist of the year. One of my favorite. It was a breakthrough for Black Sheriff when he popped up into the main limelight of the Ghana music industry. He was blue everywhere with Artist of the Year. New Artist of the Year. On your screen, we have Benzi. On your screen, DSL, King Paluta, Osekrom Sikeni, Olive the Boy, Maya Blue. I am surprised that they pulled in Osekrom Sikeni in this very category. New Artist of the Year. Osekrom Sikeni there. What type of music does this gentleman do? And why does he deserve New Artist of the Year? Ladies and gentlemen, well, probably you can also share your opinion under the comment section and let's see. But I think King Paluta knows that about that. We all know how hard this gentleman has worked. The year under the review, a decade he has been on the ground for 15 years. Challenge better. So tell us, don't mix up this time around 2025 VGMA. Tell us Ghana Music Award. Probably Yaka VGMA Samanaka, you give it to this gentleman. Now let me do the last one for you, and then let me wrap up here on the show. I think we've already taken the records album of the year, and then artist of the year, Yedi Kanka Hwasem, and then what else again? And see, and one I have also Eddie amount. So you two, the Eddie amount way, what do you make of it? Who do you think all these categories are? Yedia Kusprin Me, new artist of the year, no doubt about that. No doubt about that. Ken Paluta, I am favorite. And then also most popular song of the year. And it's Oshimwa. I am surprised that most popular song, no. Anyway, Nasi, Ewoho, Asida, and then also let me check best female. Okay, let me check the most popular song. Most popular song. Sarkodie, Stone Boy, Drill. Terminator is my favorite because it was a global song, as I said earlier. So thank you so much, guys, for making time with me on review here on Telesol Ghana Music Award Review 2025. We have a lot. Don't forget that today at 8 p.m. it will be live on TV3 Ghana, and then don't forget that the preview. And I said it has already been launched. And then you begin and then you make 8 p.m. It's one of the beautiful things that you need to watch. Don't get it twisted and be a part. Follow us on all social media platforms, and then also follow us, and then we'll be giving you every update regards to Telesol Ghana Music Award. My name is King David. I work together with a team here. I work together with Kelvin, who is behind all our graphics. our sound and everything. And I also work with the Rasta man here, Patrick Mensah, who stood behind our camera, making sure that we live on your screen. Thank you so much. We're back in our next episode with more update here. But don't forget, I am leaving you with Nana Bemaheba and Spiritual Center located in Kenya, Tgma. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're a man and you are not performing well, I introduce it to you on the Hoa. It's a male enhancement herbal medicine that you need to take to enhance your sexual performance. Probably you are not performing well under 1 minute, under 2 minutes, 3, 4, 5. Hey, get on the Hoa to boost your male sexual vitality. Ladies and gentlemen, I am out here. My name is Ken. See you.